about the revision of chapter number 1 and we solve some example from addition. Okay. From now onwards we will start chapter number 2, that is fraction and decimal. So first of all we cover the topic of fraction. It is fraction and decimal. But in this first of all we will cover the all topic of fraction. So here first of all, what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Okay. So fraction is part of whole. The whole thing may be one thing or group of the thing. Okay. For example, if we consider one apple and we divide into 4 equal parts, then here one apple is our whole part. If we consider one basket full of apple, then the basket full of apple will be the one part. Okay. Now next, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? When numerator is less than the denominator, then it is a proper fraction. So numerator is less than denominator, then it is called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 7 by 11. In this example, numerator is less than denominator, that's why it is proper fraction. Then improper fraction. Then numerator is when numerator is greater than denominator, then it is called improper fraction. Okay. For example, 7 by 3, 11 by 5. These are the example of improper fraction. After that, we learn about the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole part and fraction part. So it is a combination of whole and part of whole. Okay. Or you can say it is a combination of whole and fraction part. That is called mixed fraction. For example, 2 1 by 3, 7 2 by 8. So these are the example of mixed fraction. Then we learn about the equivalent fraction. If we multiply any fraction with the same non-zero number in a numerator and denominator, then we get an equivalent fraction of that. So if we multiply, for example, we have 1 by 3 and we multiply 1 by 3 with any non-zero number in a numerator and denominator. So 1 by 3 is multiplied with 5 in the numerator. So we get 5 by 15. So this 1 by 3 and 5 by 15 are called equivalent fraction. After that we learn about the like fraction. Now what is like fraction? If denominator of two fractions are same. So let's take example 2 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 5 by 3. These are the example of like fraction. Why? Because the denominator are same. Denominator same. Now, unlike fraction, if denominator are not same, for example, 1 by 8, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 9. So these are the fraction in which denominator are not same, so they are called unlike fraction. So this thing about the fraction we learn in the starting of chapter. After that we learn about the reduced to the lowest form. This thing we already covered in the 6th standard. So what is the reduced to the lowest form? It means you need to find the HCF of 144 and 180. And if you divide both number by HCF, then you get the fraction in which common factor is only 1. So this is called the reduced form. Whenever you find the fraction such that the common factor between numerator and denominator is 1, then they are called in a reduced form. It is also called simplest form. Okay. So let's find the factors of 144. So this 72, 36 to the then 18, 9, 3. So these are the factor of 144 and then 180. So 290, 240. 5, 15 3s are 3 5s are 5. Clear? So now find the common factor here 3 3, here it is also 3, 2 2, here it is also 2. So what is the LCM? 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36. So if we divide 144 by 36 and 180 by 36, we will get 4 by 5. So this is called the reduced form. Now there is no common factor other than 1 between 4 and 5. Okay. After that we learn about the comparison of fraction also. Okay. This is the reduced form or simplest form. After that, comparison of fraction. So if this kind of example is given 3 by 4 or 5 by 12, this comparison is also used in example. So if we want to compare 3 by 4 or 5 by 12, we already learned comparison in the previous class. So here what we need to do? Here make denominator same to compare the fraction. Okay, without that we cannot compare the fraction. So here to make denominator same, we need to find LCM of 4 and 12. So LCM of 4 and 12 you can find like this. Now what is the LCM? It is 12. It means you need to make denominator of both fraction 12. Here it is already 12 is there, so no need to make it 12. Here 4 is there, need to make 4 to the 12. So here if we multiply 3 by 4 with 3 and 3 in the numerator and denominator, so we get 9 by 12. Now this is 9 by 12 and 5 by 12. So which one is greater? 9 by 12 is greater. So we can write 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 12. But because 9 by 12 is nothing but 3 by 4. Now let's take one example in which we need to arrange the fraction in the ascending order. Okay. So here fraction are given 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 7 by 4, 3 by 5. Okay. So before arranging in an ascending order, first of all we need to make a denominator same. And there is only one method in which we can make a denominator same. That is the simplest method of finding the LCM of denominator. Okay, so first of all find the LCM of denominator. So let's find the LCM of 8, 6, 4 and 5. Now here you need to start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5 is 6. Now again with 2. So 3, 1, 5. Now again with 2. Now start with 3 and last 5. So LCM is 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120. So LCM is 120. Means you need to make a denominator of each fraction 120. So how we can make 8 to 120? So if you multiply 8 with 50, 5 by 8, so 5. If we multiply it with 15, we get 120. So 75 by 120. Now for second fraction, 5 by 6. By which number we multiply? It is 20. So 5 is also multiplied with 20. So we get 100 by 120. Then 7 by 6. 7 by 4. So 4 is multiplied with 30. So same number we multiply in the numerator. So it is 210 by 120. And 3 by 5. So 5 to get 120 we should multiply with 24. So 3 is also multiplied with 24. 72 by 1. Now compare the fraction. Here it is 75 by 120. Here 100 by 120. 210 by 120. 72 by 120. Which one is the smallest? 72 by 120. So write first 72 by 120. After that 75 by 120. After that 100 by 120. And last 210 by 120. Now convert this into real fraction, that is 3 by 5, simplest form. 5 by 8, then 5 by 6, and last 7 by 4. So this way you can compare the fraction and arrange it in a ascending and descending order. Now let's take some example. So here first of all we need to understand converting unlike fraction into like fraction. As we perform in a comparison, we convert the unlike fraction into like fraction, means make denominator same. So let's take one example. Convert this 7 by 6, 5 by 9 and 5 by 12 into the like fraction. So to convert it like fraction, we need to find the LCM. So let's find the LCM of denominator. So here LCM of 6, 9 and 12. Like fraction means what? Denominator are same. And we need to make a denominator same by taking the LCM. So here we start with 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 6, now again with 2, 3, 9, 3 2s are 6, and last 3. So LCM is 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36. Clear? Now here we need to make 7 by 6 with denominator 36. So 6 is multiplied with 6. So it is 42 by 36. 5 by 9. So 9 is multiplied with 4 to get 36 in the denominator. So same in the numerator. 20 by 36. 5 by 12. So 12 is multiplied with 3. So 5 is also multiplied with 3. 15 by 36. Now this 42 by 36, 20 by 36, 15 by 36 are like fraction because denominator are same. After that we learn about the addition and subtraction of fraction. So let's revise the topic that if the denominator are same, you can see first example 5 by 8 plus 2 by 2. So here denominator are same, it means you can directly add the numerator. 5 plus 2 divide 8. Okay, do not add denominator, so it is 7 by 8. 11 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So here again denominator are same, so you can subtract the numerator. 11 minus 7, so it is 4 by 15. Then this kind of example can also given, that is 16 by 5 plus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 9 by 5. So here you can write 16 plus 2 minus 3 minus 9 divided by 5. As we learned in integer this kind of example, so here what you need to do, 16 plus 2, that is 18, and 3 minus 9, minus 3 minus 9, so addition of these two numbers, so it is minus 12, so answer is 6. So 6 by 5 will be answer. You can convert this into mixed fraction by dividing 6 with 5. Then let's take some example of addition. So here first example is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 50. So what you need to do, here you need to take LCM of 10 and 50. So 2 5s are 10, then 3 5s are 15 and 5 is 5. So LCM is 30. So here 7 by 10 needs to multiply with 3. If we want 30 here, we need to multiply 10 with 3. So same in the numerator. 2 by 15 is multiplied with 2 in the numerator and denominator to get 30. Now 7 3s are 21 by 30 plus 4 by 30. Now you can see the denominator are same. So we can directly add the numerator. 25 plus 4, it is 25 by 30. Here you can convert this into simplest form by cut the common factor. So here if you remove the common factor, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So answer is 5 by 6. Now next, 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So here first of all we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction by multiply and add. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now LCM of 3 and 2. If you take LCM of 3 and 2, you will get 6. So here 3 needs to multiply with 2 and 2 needs to multiply with 3. So same in a numerator. Now we have 8 2s are 16 by 6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 6. Now again denominator is same. So we will add the numerator. So it is 7 37 by 6. Now convert this into mixed fraction. So 37 is divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 1. So 1 6 1 by 6 will be your answer. Okay. This way you can add the fraction. Now let's take one more example in which it is simplify 15 by 16 minus 11 by 12. So here denominator is 16 and 12. So what we need to do? Take the LCM of 16 and 12. So let's take LCM of 16 and 12. So it is 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. So LCM will be 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48. So LCM is 48. Now 15 by 16 needs to multiply with 48 is LCM, so needs to multiply with 2. So it is 3. And 12 needs to multiply with 4. So 11 is also multiplied with 4. Now 15 3s are 45 by 48 minus 44 by 48. Now denominator is same. So 45 minus 44, that is 1 by 40. So this is our answer. Now next simplify 4 5 by 6 minus 2 3 by 8 plus 3 7 by 2. So first of all we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So multiply 4 6 are 24 plus 5 29 by 6 minus 2 8s are 16 16 plus 3 plus 3 19 by 8, so minus 19 by 8. 12 3s are 36 plus 7 43 by 8. Now take the LCM of 6 8 and 12. So here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now again with 2 1. So here LCM is 24. So here to get 24 here 6 needs to multiply with 4. So 29 is also multiplied with 4. 8 needs to multiply with 3. So 19 is also multiplied with 3 and 12 needs to multiply with 2. So 43 is also multiplied with 2. Now multiply 36 116 by 24 minus 57 by 24 plus 86 by 20. Now 116 minus 116 plus 56 we perform this two first. 202 minus 57 by 24. We perform 116 plus 86, so we will get 202 minus 57. Now perform 202 minus 57. So 12. Here we have 9 and 1. So 145 by 20. So this is our answer. So this is your today's homework. Here you need to arrange it in ascending order. These two examples. Now here these three examples for simplification. Here 4 examples for comparison. Find the sum of these 3 examples and difference of these 3 examples.